Many of us have egos that we want to feed all the time. Many men are very egoistic. It happens. We know this. And a wife, once in a while, will bring up an idea, which we reject, not because it's bad, but because it's come from the wife. Generally speaking, we want the idea to start from us, the men. And it is not uncommon to find a man who will accuse his wife of having gotten this idea from some other man. Who told you about this? Did you meet a man where you went? Who told you this? Women are as bright as men, or even brighter. They innovate the same way men can innovate. The problem is gender related, I think, because we always must be on top of every situation. Now, it's a responsible man, it's a real man, who actually understands that his wife can come up with a very good idea. And that's why I think Dr. Love comes in very relevant, they call him, because this is a man who practices what he teaches us every once in a week. I appreciate that very, very much. It's a very rare thing, by the way. I meet very many entrepreneurs. There are very few situations where the man tells you, this was an idea from my wife. So there is something there about you, sir. And I appreciate that very, very much.
Tukimanyi nti Buganda yesinga obunene mu Bwakabaka bw'ensikira mu ggwanga lino, ate ng'erina n'ensikira ya Kampala omuli abantu kumpi miliyoni 10, n'ebyamaguzi ebiwera ddala ebya ebitundu nga 7% mu Uganda yonna. Ate Abaganda balina omukwano okuviira ddala mu ngeri gye baagalamu okugenda ne Kabaka waffe. Naffe batutoleddeko ebatuwagira ye lwaki nedda omuntu akwagala lwaki tomwagale naawe. Olaba tulengera emyaka 10 mu 2016 omanya nti bulagaze bwereere. N'olwekyo twewaddeyo okwetaba okukumbula ekitiibwa kya Uganda ng'amaka tugataddemu essanyu n'obulamu nga tuyitira mu anthology. Ekyokubiri twagala kweyanza kubanga gwe